Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add products category and subcategories in Shopify. Right, it's very easy to do it, just follow my steps. Once you are here into the Shopify, on the left side you will see a lot of option. Just go to your product section. Once you go to the product section here, you will get this option of collections, right, under it. So just click on collections and you can see we haven't made any category. So to make a category, to make a subcategory, you have to make a category, right? To do it, we have to first of all create a collection. For example, I will just write here t-shirts, right? Once I do it, for example, and this is a category here. If you want to do it, you can just do it. So we'll just click on create collection on the top, right? And here we will just write here, for example, summer t-shirts. So right now we are just making a category, right? You can just write a description. If you want to do a manual, you can do it manual, or if you do want to automate it, you can do automated too. How to do it? It's very easy. So for example, you will just go to the search engine listing. I will explain collection types in the subcategory section. We'll just click on edit, and this is a SEO thing. So if you want to do metadata and everything and handle, this is our category, right? So if you want to change your handle, you can change it. Now we will just click on save, right? Once we click on save, we will just go to the product section here. We will add a product first of all. So let's say that I just add a t-shirt here, for example, right? And this is t-shirt, and if you just want to upload a media or something, you can do it. For example, price 500, 5000, whatever, right? And you can just do it. And for example, if you just go a little bit down, this is the inventory. So let's just put the inventory here. Search engine listing, again same thing, you can just add here SEO everything, right? And once we here, you can see that this is a called a product category. So we'll just close this, right? And well, you can select any of the thing here, but this is our main thing, product type. So once we click here, we will just write here t-shirt, right? Once we add the t-shirt here, it will get automatically added. Now we will again go to the collections. Now we will just go to the summer here, and here in the product section we will just add our product, right? So this is a collection here. I'll just click on add, and here it's already added, and once we do it, I can just view it. So for example, let it view. So okay, I have to just enter the password, then only I will be able to show you. So this is pretty easy. First of all, you have to make a collection here. Then collection is basically, you can see a category, and under the category you can just add more categories, subcategories and everything. So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.